My office is located in my basement, and because of that, it doesn't get great natural lighting throughout most of the day from the window. I wanted to fix this issue by getting some lighting that would help imitate the daylight I would get from a window. After looking at a few different options online, I figured the IKEA FLOAT would work best for my situation. The IKEA FLOAT is a hardwire panel light, and in order to use it as a wall panel, you either need to run wire through your walls to power it, or you can convert it into a plug-in light that can be used with a power outlet, which is what I ended up doing. The process of converting it into a plug-in light is actually pretty easy, as long as you have the right tools and materials to work with. There are plenty of great tutorials out there online that will show you how to do this conversion, and like I said before, it's really easy. You just need to strip the female end of a power cord and connect the wiring to the exposed wires on the light. Just remember, black is hot and white is neutral. Once attached, you will cap it off with wire nuts. Be sure you are careful when doing this and make sure you test it first to see if it works before mounting it to your walls. Here's the final product mounted to the walls of my office. I didn't record the mounting process, but all you need is screws and drywall anchors to secure it to your walls. One of the main reasons I went for the IKEA FLOAT is because it runs on the Zigbee frequency, so it works with my Philips Hue bridge where I can control it from the app along with other smart automations. With the Hue app, I can control the lights to create some cool scenes, as you can see here, that really set the mood and atmosphere of my office. I find the fake window lighting can really help boost my energy throughout the day when I'm working from home with the different temperature settings that you can set it to. I definitely recommend this for people who want the extra window lighting but don't have access to or have very limited lighting from their windows. It works for me, and hopefully it can work for you too. Alright, that's it for me today. My name is Eric. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.